Welcome back to Plant Stuff. Today we're in sunny Western Canada. I just want to share with you guys the good old pond. And then today we got some sprouts growing in the good old bucket garden. So this is just from my worm farm. This is old aged horse manure and bedding. And the worms go through it and turn it into this pretty decent potting soil, believe it or not. So yeah, just want to reiterate the power of compost worms. They really are nature's best fertilizers and aerators in this. And of course there'll be compost worms in each one of these buckets, which help aerate and continue to fertilize these little plants. It's a nice sunny spring day in Canada, so I'm excited to have some greens to eat in the next month or two, something like that. And so this is kale, and some spinach is the shorter ones. The ones with the 4 leaves are, yeah, just like a Russian kale or something like that. We got some spinach. We got a Swiss chard in this one. It gets its own bucket because Swiss chard gets huge. With the smaller sprouts, I'm going to come in and I like to cut them with scissors every week or two. So it's kind of like mowing your lawn. And the more times you cut it, it keeps the plants nice and tender, especially when they're young. And then you're not eating really tough kale, which no one likes. And of course, the spinach, you want to cut as many times as you can before it goes to seed. Because as soon as summer comes, and I hope it comes in Canada, I hope as soon as summer comes, spinach likes to bolt. It likes to go to seed, so it will cease to be good eating at that point. So you want to get as much out of your plants as you can before they go to seed. So you don't just plant them to look at them. Of course, you want to eat them. So yeah, I encourage you guys to try the scissored method. So you use scissors or a small knife, just like mowing the lawn. You cut it a couple inches up, maybe 5-10 centimeters. You want to leave a few leaves on the bottom of the plant. You never want to cut all the leaves off. Generally, most plants are fine with only having 2 leaves. If you're conservative, maybe leave 4 leaves on each plant until you get the hang of it. But yeah, I encourage you guys to do that. I'll just quickly show you some of the other sprouts. They're doing quite happy. The second bucket on the right is the happiest. I believe it gets the warmest for whatever reason. Probably just the way the trees are here. And we got sprouts coming up. And then I salvaged this little New Zealand spinach, is what this guy's called here. And believe it or not, this plant is like 2 years old. And it wasn't happy. It was not very good. So we're going to try and bring it back to life and see what it does. Maybe get some seeds off it if we're lucky. Yeah, so that's a little bucket garden for today. Again, compost worms, any sort of organic matter. Doesn't have to be horse manure. You can use leaves, wood chips, all kinds of nice stuff the worms will eat and turn into basically potting soil. Yeah, you want something with a tiny bit of minerals in there too, but tell you what, worm material grows pretty good food. That's why worm castings are so expensive in the store and why people love them so much. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day also, and smash like and subscribe. Bye now.